It went.
The castle. And welcome back to another episode with Ralph. We have Ralph this time, and we have my little sister who's helping out and doing some practicing of photography. But we have stopped at this beautiful place on the way to Castle Stalker, which is up above Oban. And it is absolutely stunning here. I mean, it is so pretty. I'm going to do a little time lapse for you in a minute. It's been a nice little drive, and we've got about 20 to 30 minutes left of the journey, which we'll do a little bit of in-car footage on the way up, but I'm excited. I can't wait. We'll just say hello to Neve. Hello. Can I have a Timbit, please? We got Timbits to keep us going until we get there. Say it's about 30 minutes. You don't like the apple ones. Which one do you think is an apple one? No, that's not an apple one. That one's an apple one. 100% that's an apple one. I love the apple Timbits.
Yuck.
You just like the chocolate ones.
No, that's not true. I like the plain ones.
You're boring.
I know. The apple tastes like soy sauce. It's gross.
It doesn't taste like soy sauce.
Yes, it does.
At this point, roughly 2 hours into our journey, our legs began to ache. Luckily for us, we couldn't have picked a better place to stop. Padian Nam Bien, meaning pinnacle of mountains, or the path of fur according to Google Translate, is the highest peak in a group of mountains south of Glencoe. At 1,150 meters tall, it's no joke. And what a view it is, but I'll let you see it for yourselves. Enjoy. We've made it, finally, to Castle Stalker. Well, the viewpoint anyway. We're currently walking from the car park now down to the castle itself.
Well,
now,
where we can see it.
Where we can see the castle.
Tide in.
Sadly, it's a tidal walk, so the tide is in currently. We didn't plan it very well, or I didn't plan it very well. So we can't actually walk out to the castle, but we can get pretty close. So we're just gonna continue walking, and if you turn it around you can just kind of make out the top of the castle behind the trees there. We're going to head there, go see the castle. I'm going to do some drone videos around the castle, and then we might head into Oban, film something else, and we'll go from there. So see you in a bit. Sheep. A cool pattern on it. Just lob it in the water. Bastard.
I kept the other one.
Which one?
See? Now my feet are gonna go wet. Oh my gosh.
was eventful.
Looking at it from afar. There it is.
Me forgetting the camera.
It was in the car, and I thought about it before I got out the car, but then you were speaking to me, so I got distracted.
Travelled what? 3 hours to take photos and videos of a castle.
I got photos, just not of the castle.
And we walked about 30
15
minutes. 30 minutes. And you didn't have the camera. It's okay. My photos will carry it.
Hello? How?
What do you mean how?
Because they're stinging nails and I'm wearing shorts.
Not even got the right clothing on or anything. Come on.
I can't. My feet are going to slip.
What should we do? Should we just let them fall over? Come on. In your hand. Never let go, Jack. Ah.
Okay, I'm good.
So, yeah, we're heading now.
Why do I look like that?
What do you mean, why do you look like that? We're heading back to Ralf now, and we're gonna do absolutely nothing because it started peeing it down with rain, and by the time we got to the castle, it was closed. So we're actually the next day now. Beautiful weather. I'm roasted. I'm working on my tan, as you can see, and currently thinking about where we're gonna go next. For those of you that don't know, I'm planning on going to Canada at the end of July on the 20th for 3 weeks. And while I'm away, I probably won't be able to post anything. So my goal is to post 1 video a week now, between now and when I go away, in hopes of storing up a couple of backup videos. On top of that, I haven't been able to really post anything the last couple of weeks, which has really sucked. But that's because it's been absolutely peeing it down with rain all day, every day, for 2 weeks. And it's been really annoying, really, to be honest. I don't have any waterproof gear, like filming gear. The drones aren't waterproof, and I just felt like maybe I could do something, but it wouldn't be kind of to what I wanted to be, so I've decided not to. But from going forward for the next couple of weeks, for the next month, shall we say, I will only be producing 1 video a week. Whether or not it stays like that when I get back from Canada, I don't know. Recording 2 full-length videos, or even a full-length video and a short video, I feel like I'm not getting the quality out of the videos that I want. And I feel like if I cut it down to 1 video but made it slightly longer, sort of like the 12-15 minute or like 15-20 minute mark, I could probably plan it a lot better and get a lot better results. But at the same time, I don't know if it's better than releasing 2 shorter videos a week, because obviously it depends on what people are actually enjoying. So I'm really excited to go. I'm going to get tons of footage while I'm in Canada. I'm really excited to meet my partner's family who stay out there, and it's going to be really exciting, and I hope there'll be loads of opportunities to take videos. We hit our goal of 200 subs first of all, but then 225. So we're almost at the 250 mark, which is the halfway to 500, which is obviously the big goal with YouTube. And honestly, I can't thank people enough. I mean, I never expected to gain so many subs so fast, especially watching some of the other people that have put in equal amounts of work that I'm putting in, and they're not even where I am now after years of doing what they're doing. I've obviously got a really good base of friends around me and really supportive people, which keep encouraging me, which is just amazing, and I can't thank you all enough. And I'm really enjoying it, and I think my little sister's enjoying it too. I don't know, my mum's enjoying watching the videos, but I am really enjoying it, and thank you so much for everyone that's watching these videos, and I can't wait to share more places with you and see where this goes. So I'll catch you all in the next video, and I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your week. See you later, guys.